Cons, Maths 5 Plus, page 36. Dear students, today we'll learn about concept of equal, more than and less than. Equal, more than and less than describe the number of objects in mathematics. Look at these pictures. Equal. There are 2 tomatoes, each on both sides. They are equal because they are 2 in number on both sides. More than. There are 5 fountain pens on the left side box, which are more than 3 on the right side. Less than. There are 4 spoons on the left side box, which are lesser than 6 on the right side. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the concept of equal, more than and less than to the children, giving simple examples from the children's immediate surroundings. Tell them that equal means equal in number. Tell them that more than means one of the 2 objects or sets of objects is greater in number. Tell them that lesser than means one of the 2 objects or sets of objects is smaller or lesser in number. Use concrete objects to make the children which one is equal, more than or lesser than the other. Appreciate the children for their active participation in your lecture and today's lesson and clap for the most receptive-minded children. Thank you.